I know.
Look at that big tree.
I see that one.
It goes all the way up to the sky.
Sure does, huh?
Has anyone ever touched the redwood tree?
I'm sure they have, sweetie. What does Archer think? Hi, Archer. What does Archer think?
Bring him back. Bring the video camera down. Back down to him.
Right on you.
To
Wow.
him. To him.
Ooh, that's kind of scary. It's an old stump.
Yeah. Redwood tree.
That's a big stump, huh?
Hurry. Live. That tree fell down and was cut.
Go right up ahead and stand next to that tree, Aaron.
What tree?
That one right there.
That one?
Yeah, so we can all see how big it is. Wow, huh? That sure is a big tree. I can't even probably get all of it in the frame. You want to go a little further or are you ready to turn around? Go a little further.
Why don't we cut out the video?
Because I don't want to, just not yet.
I want to turn around.
Well, let's go right up here to the top of the hill and then we'll turn around. What you think, brother? Huh?
I'm gonna whack you with a stick. What are you laughing about?
Here, brother. Look at that. Look, Aaron, please stop doing that. Look at that.
Mom, come here.
What is it?
Look at that tree splitting.
Wow.
I'm looking. It's inside. So cool.
Look at that. You not going to go in there? Is that as far as you're going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is far. I'm not going to. Hey, you said that we would turn back.
I did. All right. Say bye-bye, Redwoods.
Bye-bye, Redwoods.